hey, if you could be proud of one accomplishment between now and next year, what would it be? So this is something I haven't done yet. An accomplishment I'm forecasting that may or may not happen in the next year, but I would be happy if it did. Oh man, how personal are we gonna get? Let's keep it related to YouTube. I would say I would want this channel here to be successful. This new Lou Later channel. Really appreciate all the feedback from everyone, the questions, the comments on this channel. It's also fresh. Really appreciate everyone who's here. It's already had some degree of success. It's kind of surprising. People are watching videos. I really appreciate it. Willie Do really appreciates it. Maybe we can get 1 million subscribers here on this channel. What do you say? In a year, we'll aim for that. Could that be cool? I mean, you have to be one of them.
I have to subscribe.
Will would have to subscribe first. A lot of people ask about that. He runs an incognito window for the show, okay? Jeez, 2 + 2 = 7. Come on now. Anyhow, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we can just keep doing this. It's fun to do, and you guys can keep watching it and enjoying it, and maybe that'll all work out. Let's put our target on this channel here, since we are on this channel. Maybe 1 million subscribers. Then we'd be real, like Pinocchio. I mean, it's perfectly fine right now. This is cool too. This is as cool as you need it to be. But anyway, you asked me for a goal, so we'll go with that.